are here to collect our members that has been arrested for nothing by the police, and the worst part, they did beat them badly.
The people that were arrested yesterday were beaten.
Yeah,
were beaten, and they've got scars in their bodies.
There's the one guy there. You've got a big scar here on these ribs. He was killed by this police.
It looks like to them, every member who is wearing a t-shirt is their enemy.
If I've done something, I must be arrested. Something that I've done. Not find people sitting on the ground, arrest them because of sitting there, doing nothing. And actually, these guys, they're provoking us. Yesterday and day before yesterday, there was a white guy, policeman, two of them, shooting people apparently for nothing with a rubber bullet. That's a provocation.
South African Communist Party, the vanguard of the workers of favor. Congress of South African trade unions of favor.